If you're like most bands, you aren't starting your entire organization from scratch on the day you sign up for Back on Stage. That's why we have made it as easy as possible for you to import all your existing bookings by simply filling out a spreadsheet and uploading it inside your bookings list page inside your company. To import a list of bookings all at once by uploading a CSV spreadsheet, simply select Booking List from the menu. You will see a list of all your existing bookings inside Back on Stage. Scroll down a little and click Get Instructions and make sure you read them carefully as the uploading process can be a bit technical. Once you're ready, please press Download a sample CSV to continue. Inside the CSV file, you will find further instructions on how to properly upload your bookings. Here are the instructions. 1. Delete these instructions and the sample row, row 2. 2. Fill in this sheet with as many existing booking details as you have. Fields with stars are mandatory. 3. Save this document as a CSV file and upload it inside the Back on Stage bookings section. Unfortunately, you cannot upload information regarding services, name, price, start or end times, roles booked for each service, contracts, invoices, set lists or social media scheduling. You will need to visit each booking inside Back on Stage to add these details. Once again, the mandatory fields are event date and year month day format, event title, and booking status. Booking statuses are negotiations, confirmed or completed. The rest of the information on the spreadsheet is optional. We find it helpful to have a pre-existing spreadsheet at hand during this process. You can use the spreadsheet that you've been using for your company or simply download the CSV file from the software that you're previously using for management. Let me start an example for you right now. Start by entering the event date and year month day format, and remember to enter both the event title and the confirmation status. Once you're ready to upload, remember to first delete the sample event in row 2, and the instructions at the bottom. Be sure to save it as a CSV file. For the purpose of this tutorial, I've purposefully entered a couple of mistakes on the spreadsheet just so you can see what Back on Stage would do in that situation. Save it as a CSV file, and I'm ready to upload. Inside Booking List in Back on Stage, simply press Import CSV to upload your spreadsheet. Remember that I've made a couple of mistakes earlier. Back on Stage has discovered those errors and provided ways for me to fix them. Once you have fixed the errors, just upload the new CSV file and you'll see all your bookings inside the booking list. Not using Back on Stage in your band yet? Ask your band leader to join Back on Stage. As always, please like and subscribe and check out our website for more awesome tutorials. Let's take your music business to the next level.